Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to create a disaster recovery plan with teamwork.com. This is an essential task that ensures your business can bounce back from any unexpected event swiftly and smoothly. First things first, log into your teamwork.com account. Once you're in, head over to the Projects section. Now that we've done that, you'll want to create a new project specifically for your disaster recovery plan. This helps us because it keeps all related tasks and information in one place, making it easy to manage and track. Next up, start adding tasks under this project. Each task should represent a specific action required in case of a disaster. For example, you might have a task for data backup or hardware replacement. The reason we do this is to ensure every potential action is accounted for, leaving no room for confusion during a real disaster. After you've listed all the tasks, it's time to assign them to your team members. Make sure you delegate based on expertise and job role. This is crucial because in a disaster, time is of the essence, and you want your most competent people handling each task. Now let me explain why this next step matters. Once all tasks are assigned, you need to set deadlines for each one. In a disaster scenario, every second counts, so it's important to know exactly when each task should be completed. Finally, use the Files section to upload any necessary documents or resources related to the disaster recovery plan. This might include contact lists, software licenses, or building schematics. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. By having these documents readily available, you're ensuring quick access to crucial information when you need it most. And that's it. You've now created a comprehensive disaster recovery plan using teamwork.com. Remember, the key to successful disaster recovery is planning and preparation, and this platform makes it easy. Thanks for watching and stay prepared.